This video demonstrates the execution of the shell script to do integer arithmetic operations using expr command. The problem statement of the shell script exercise is to develop a shell script to evaluate the integer arithmetic operations. Let us now observe the demonstration of execution of the shell scripts solving the problem. The file expr05 is opened by giving a command vi expr05 at the $prompt. The complete shell scripts available in the file expr05 are displayed by the VI editor on the screen. We shall try to understand the working of each shell script line by line in the file expr05. The first two lines of the script are comment lines. In Unix, the comment line starts with # character. The third line of the script is echo command. Echo enter two integer values. This echo command will display the text enter two integer values on the screen. The fourth line of the script is read n1 n2. This read script will read two input values from the standard input device, and these two input values will be given to the variables n1 and n2 respectively. Fifth line of the script is assignment script. Add equal to expr $n1 plus $n2 backquote. The expr command will evaluate the expression n1 plus n2, and the final resultant value will be given to the variable on the left hand side, namely to add. Backquote is used for command substitution. When the shell encounters a string between backquotes, it executes the command given inside the backquotes and replaces the backquoted string with the standard output of the command. The sixth line of the script is also an assignment script. Sub equal to expr $n1 minus $n2 backquote. In this assignment script, the expr will evaluate the arithmetic expression n1 minus n2, and the resultant value will be given to the variable on the left hand side, namely to sub. The seventh line of the script is also an assignment script. Mul equal to expr $n1 backslash star $n2 backquote. In this assignment script, expr will evaluate the arithmetic expression n1 star n2, and the resultant value will be assigned to the variable on the left hand side, namely to mul. In Unix, star is treated as wildcard character, substituting several characters. Hence, when we use star as a multiplication operator, it is used along with backward slash. It's like escape sequence characters that we use in C programming. The eighth line of the script is also an assignment script. Div equal to expr $n1 slash $n2 backquote. In this assignment script, expr will evaluate the arithmetic expression n1 slash n2, and the resultant value will be given to the variable on the left hand side, namely to div. The ninth line of the script is also an assignment script. Mod equal to expr $n1 percentage $n2 backquote. In this assignment script, the expr will evaluate the arithmetic expression n1 percentage n2, and the resultant value will be assigned to the variable on the left hand side, namely to mod. Next 5 lines of scripts are echo scripts. These echo scripts outputs the arithmetic expression along with the resultant value. Now we press escape :WQ in order to save the file expr05 and come out of the VI editor. Hence, the $prompt is returned. To run the shell script file expr05, we give the command sh expr05 at the $prompt. When this command is given, the shell displays the text enter two integer values on the terminal. If the user enters the value 10 and 20, the shell returns the arithmetic values that are evaluated using plus, minus, star, slash and percentage. In order to run the same script file again, we give a command sh expr05 at the $prompt. The shell has displayed the message enter two integer values on the terminal. If the user enters the values 81 and 9, Then the shell has generated the arithmetic expressions along with the resultant values. Thank you.